4-5 in my motherfucking pocket, nigga, stop it. Okay, Muggs. Let me talk my shit. Whoa, yeah. Lord grew up watching vets. My music is my flex. My crew is yelling when the woo was shopping next. Good options on my desk. Main lobster getting blessed. Yes, dick so good, gotta shopping for a dress. Love for the people, but I'm watching the snakes. And I keep a long desert and a sock in the safe. How you gon' watch for evil when you washing your face? Or run your mouth on the leaders when you not in the race? 110 or 95, friends on the grimy side. Listening to Luther, reminiscing when my mama died. Pouring out shots for the war on our block. I've been going extra hard since the touring got stopped. Flea walked in the session, quick blacked out the crusher. All my verses stand out like a black cop in Russia, motherfucker. All my verses stand out like a back in the jets where we clap for respect. Take a peek off the roof before you trap in the steps. Award winners, these niggas acting to death. Full of fashion and fresh, blowing backwards for stress. Back in the jets where we clap for respect. Take a peek off the roof before you trap in the steps. Award winners, these niggas acting to death. Full of fashion and fresh, blowing backwards for stress. Y'all niggas weird, huh? Full of fashion and fresh, I sit and mac on your desk and spit a verse without a curse and go cash me a check. Massive respect, I run the lap with connects. Got soul assassins feeling like I'm back in the jets. My pen game is deep, the beloveds came to eat. The mission was impossible, ring rains the beat. Chewing on that veal palm, moving with a steel arm. When the world get twisted up, music make me feel calm. Nickel plated verses, big pistol play on purpose. I came by myself because my hitters made me nervous. Temperatures get checked when we in it for respect. Yeah, it's new and improved, but we get it from the vets. Our lineup is the set, 120 in the vet. Plus the sun and all this weed, how much pretty can it get? Bars with position, got us stars in the ceiling. Like how you got a marble in a car in the kitchen. I don't think they heard me. Like, yeah, and you're in the kitchen. In the jets where we clap for respect. Take a peek off the roof before you trap in the steps. Award winners, these niggas acting to death. Full of fashion and fresh, blowing backwards for stress. Back in the jets where we clap for respect. Take a peek off the roof before you trap in the steps. Award winners, these niggas acting to death. Full of fashion and fresh, blowing backwards for stress. You know my motherfucking body.
Nobody does it like us, so don't believe the hype, you know what I'm saying?
I am one of the Gothic futurists in the Alpha's bet of the equation known as the RAM LZ.